choose कर लें कि कौन पहले जाएगा. And the player who continues to guess the most items on the list will win against their opponent. So without further ado, should we jump into the game?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so who's going to go first?
Let's go ahead.
I will start first, Fahad. Let me tell you what. I'll start first because it's not gonna. That'll take forever. I'll start first. Fahad, wait. I'm going to start first so that you understand it. Okay. What am I doing? When there's sports and there's a group of girls, usually that are supporting the team, and you see them on football and they're shaking pom-poms. What are those girls called?
Cheerleaders.
Yes. Okay.
Cheerleaders.
Okay. Next one.
There's a springy circle in the garden. Usually children like to jump on it. It's a big disc, a black disc, and you jump
Trampoline.
up in the garden. Yes, trampoline.
Okay.
Trampoline.
One of my best friends, she's a singer also. She's her sister is Rachel.
Zoe Vikaji.
Okay. When your baby needs a cleaning, when they're in their diaper stages, what is that piece of cloth that we use to clean them? What are they called? The things that you clean your hands also.
What's that?
Pieces of
Nappy
paper.
cleaners.
Or?
I know. It's
Okay,
wipes.
Yes, baby wipes. Okay, this is a basketball maneuver when you kind of hit the ball through the net, like just. Bam.
It's called playoffs. No. It's
Okay,
like,
next,
shoot.
moving on. Somebody who doesn't eat meat is called a?
Somebody who doesn't need what?
Meat.
Meat.
It's
Vegan.
called a?
Vegan?
नहीं, जो animal products दूध वगैरह खाता है but गोश्त नहीं खाता, उनको क्या कहते हैं? Vegan.
Vegetarian?
Yes, vegetarian. Okay, done. When there's a celebration and there's a loud sound and there's beautiful light work in the sky, you have to burn them and then they explode in the sky.
Fireworks.
Yes, fireworks. Okay, when you need to access your Gmail or your Facebook or whatever, there is a code. What is that code usually called? You usually ask for your
Password.
Yes. What is that really? Indus River, mein, there's one animal in the water that's famous. It's blind, but it's a blind what? It's a big fish.
Whale or dolphin?
It's a big fish. They're mammals. They're very friendly.
Dolphin.
Whale.
Yeah.
Whale.
Usse choti.
I don't know. It's either whale or which one is mammal out of them?
You said dolphin, didn't you say dolphin?
I said yeah, but then
Sorry, I didn't hear you. Okay, this is a dish that you have in I don't know if I can say that word, but it's got noodles and peanuts and chicken and mushrooms, and you have it when you go to Bangkok. A classic dish. You have green curry. You have
pasta.
No, but in their version of pasta is called
macaroni.
Okay. The makers of Bilal
Pad
Ashari's
Thai.
song.
That precise.
The musicians who curated the song of Bilal Ashari is the one with the 7 deadly sins with Ahmed Ali Butt in it and Amina Haq and what's that band? I mean, what is that video called? That song called? There's a oh my god, I can't get this one. One creature that comes out in bathrooms or we're very scared of them. They're very ugly. They've got antennas.
Lizards.
But which one? The round
like,
one, the red one.
Which one is that? Cockroach or lizard we talking about? Any one of them.
अच्छा और कौन से कितने
20 seconds on the clock. 20 seconds.
20 seconds.
Okay.
Seconds.
I've done pretty good though.
Not usually in Pakistan, but in America, to move away birds that will come on the field. They're stuffed with straw. They're put on a stick like this. You put a hat on them, and they're just on a stick like this.
And time is up.
Scarecrows.
Yes.
But time nikal gaya tha. However, Fahad, you've done very well, brilliantly well actually. You've guessed 10 out of this huge list, and now अब आपकी एक्टिंग की बारी है कि आप क्या एक्टिंग करेंगे or the time
अब मुझे लिस्ट से पढ़ना है, ये बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है.
starts now.
ओके, जब आप बीच पे जाते हैं तो मुझ जैसे आदमी क्या नहीं करते हैं वहां जाके कुछ लगा के?
सनब्लॉक, टैन नहीं करते, टैनिंग.
एग्जैक्टली, सन टैन लोशन. उसके बाद इसके अलावा जहाँ पे आप जाके यू थ्रो अप एंड इफ you're not into it, so you just go and you kind of get very dizzy and stuff, and you scream also.
Roller coaster?
No. Yes, very good. उसके बाद there's one person who can do one step in the world, and that is out of this world. It's related to out of the planet.
Armstrong.
Moon. What's that? Who does that?
Michael Jackson.
Yes, exactly. There's a thing which is not tights, but it exactly like tights, which was the older version of tights. What's that?
Tights. Leggings.
Yeah.
Right? Stocking.
Like something else. Exactly. Very good. And there's one thing which we don't get to see, but Christians do, and they believe in it. And it comes near Christmas. What's no Christmas. that guy?
Jesus.
That guy related? No. That we believe in. Santa Claus. Actually, okay, very good. If you're hurt somewhere, what will you put on it to fix it?
Band-Aid.
Some sort of
ointment.
No. No, some muscle pain probably. What are you going to do with that?
Balm, deep heat, compress, hot compress, cold, ice pack.
Hot compress is actually something of that sort. The heat pad and hot compress is pretty much similar. Okay, इसके अलावा no.
आगे.
Okay, ठीक है. उसके बाद there's something in my teeth. I'm trying to.
Floss.
Exactly. Okay, and we all have been through this lately inside our houses. What's that thing called?
Quarantine.
Exactly. उसके बाद there was this film in which Forrest Whitaker played this part of a very brutal dictator. What was that film? Do you remember that film? No. It was placed in which country?
The dictator was placed in
some African country.
Pass.
उसके बाद okay. What does newly born babies mothers do for them?
Breastfeed them. Swaddle them, wrap them.
Oh no.
Birth them.
Before the birth, what do they do? And
a baby shower.
Before the birth.
Before the birth,
they're doing something. Like clothes, something. They do something with the clothes and all.
Swaddle them, wrap them, cocoon them before the birth.
They're not even born yet.
They're not even born. Knitting. They knit their clothes for them.
Exactly. Very good. There's one thing that I'm known for.
Okay.
There's one thing that I'm known for.
Jeeto Pakistan Jeeto.
Very good. उसके बाद है like if the kids do it normally, they put this in a water thing and then they absolutely okay. They are in a circus also. They make people laugh. What are they?
Clowns.
Absolutely. You can make wine out of this.
Grapes.
Very good. And there was a film in which Fawad was also there recently in Pakistan. Which was it?
Moneybag Guarantee, Maula Jat.
Not already released.
Which one? Nilofer.
Very sweet. I was also in it. So was he.
A movie that happened in Pakistan with both of you in it. Oh, were you with a rock star? Namalum Afrad. No. God, Jawani Phir Nahi Aayegi. 2.
Yes, absolutely. Uske baad, there's this thing which is in London also. There's a big huge round. No.
Left. I'm sorry.
Absolutely.
And time's up.
Are we done with it?
Yep. Sanam, you guessed
actually, both
14.
are pretty good.
Okay.
And how many did I do?
You guessed 10.
Not bad.
And the reason behind it because she was slow, I was quick.
Chalo.
You guys make a pretty good team.
That's
the point. That's the point. And you guys have done really well. And the winner is Sanam Saeed.
Of course.
Thank you guys.
But ye game is my this and Tamshari is where I'm.
You're a winner all the way, Sanam. You're a winner all the way. God bless you.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys once again for being on the show. And I hope you had a a fun 10 minutes.
Easy, but मेरा ये सवाल है कि क्योंकि ये अक्सर बहुत लोगों का सवाल होगी, उर्दू में क्यों नहीं था?
ये उर्दू में क्यों नहीं था?
हाँ, ये तो बहुत आसान। मैं इस शो पे इसलिए आई हूँ क्योंकि सारा अंग्रेजी में था। I wouldn't have to like.
उर्दू कमजोर है, इसलिए
तो फिर मैं क्यों आया हूँ? इस शो में अगर ये उर्दू में नहीं था तो? ये मेरा इम्तिहान था।
वो बहुत अच्छी है, बट मेरी उर्दू कमजोर है।
आप ऑलराउंडर हैं, आप ऑलराउंडर हैं, आप ऑलराउंडर हैं।
हाँ जी।
चले सर, मजा आया, it was good fun.
This show, everyone will enjoy it and everyone can understand it, obviously.
Yeah.
Once again, thank you guys for being with us, and I wish you both the very best of luck. Again, looking forward to Quaid-e-Azam Zindabad and Ishrat Made in China. Wishing you both the very best of luck with the releases, and I hope to meet you soon once this whole isolation quarantining is over.
Thank you.
Inshallah, Fawad. All the best, Sanam.
Take care of yourself.
Bye bye. God bless.
Be safe.
And